How to add WhatsApp button on Shopify store. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Shopify website right here and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now, once you do that, just click the online store right here. Now, once you click that, click the customize button that is located in this part, and then you should be redirected into another page. Now, once you're now here, what we need to do is to click this icon. So you will be redirected right here, and then just make sure that you click the Shopify App Store. So you will be redirected into another tab in which you will be able to see a lot of apps that you can add into your website. Now, in this case, just go here on the search bar and then search for WhatsApp, and then just click enter. Now, once you click that, you will be able to see a lot of apps that you can use. So it's up to you if you want to use another app, but in this case, I will just use this one right here. So just click this and then click the install button. Now, once you do that, we will need to, of course, set up this. So what we want to do is to click the install button. Now, while it is installing, currently, Shopify has an ongoing deal in which you will only need to pay $1 per month for the first 3 months. So if you want to grab that deal right now, all you have to do is to go down below the description box and then, of course, the comment section, in which you will see the link which will redirect you into this page so you can get it for only $1. So going back into the video, so once you're now here, what we want to do is to click the settings right here and then click this enable. So once you enable that, you will be redirected into this page in which you will only need to turn this on. And then once you click that, you should be able to see a button right here. So what we're going to do to edit it is to just go back into this part and then click apps and then click the WhatsApp button. So what we're going to do here is to click settings again, and then of course add your phone number. And then of course, if you want to add pre-filled message, you can also do that. For the design appearance, you can also change that right here for the size, colors, placement, and so on. So it's up to you if you want to edit it more, but I will just leave it as it is. So basically, that is how to add WhatsApp button on Shopify store.